this is your video update for October the 29th. Welcome to HandicapperStable.com, your #1 source for winning information. We've assembled the greatest handicappers in the world for you here at HandicapperStable.com. At the bottom of the page, check out our industry-leading loyalty program and 100% guarantee on every subscription and package you purchase here at HandicapperStable.com. Going this week, we have a fantastic promo code for you. The promo code is NBA30. That is NBA30. This code will be good from now through Sunday, November the 1st. You get 30% off of any package or subscription that you purchase here at HandicapperStable.com. You can use it as many times as you want. You can use it on as many different handicappers as you want. Again, the code will be good through Sunday, November the 1st. Also, I want to mention some of the top plays going tonight. We have here from our awesome handicappers. Jimmy Boyd has a 5-star AFC Game of the Month. Chase Diamond has a 20-star college football total of the year. Jim Feist has his college football Game of the Month going for you. Kyle Hunter has an NBA 5-star play of the week. And Kevin Thomas has a 10-star college football Game of the Month. Again, promo code NBA30. NBA30 to get 30% off any subscription or package. You use it as many times as you want on as many handicappers as you like. It's good through Sunday, November the 1st. NBA30. NBA30. Your free play tonight, we're going with the Atlanta Hawks -3.5. We're going to take the Hawks -3.5 as your comp. The Hawks just lost to Detroit on Tuesday night, while the Knicks won on the road last night at Milwaukee. That means we're getting tremendous line value here with the Hawks. The Hawks are a lot better than the Knicks. They had a bad game on Tuesday, while the Knicks played above their head last night. Knicks are coming home fat and happy. Hawks take care of business. A lot of Hawks for your comp play tonight here, -3.5.